Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Before I get into the video, I want to ask you guys to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that little bell so that way you'll be notified when I post a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to dye a frontal wig easy. If you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching.
If I got you, you got me, it don't matter what they say. They just wish that they could be the one that's chilling at your place. It ain't perfect, but it's worth it every second of the day. If I just drama, count these commas and get high as out of space.
They gon' hate, that's okay. Got no worries, girl, we straight. By my baby, I don't play, put any nigga in their place. It don't matter, we gon'
I'm first gonna start with the hair that I purchased from Vogue Hair. This is a hair company in Dallas, and I'm also gonna use Dark and Lovely in Jet Black. Got to be glued freeze spray. And also just some regular Vaseline. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the bag and take the wig out. It's inside of a plastic bag, and they also included a flyer. Go ahead and set that to the side. Go ahead and take the wig out. You see the wig is this, I like to call it a mousy brown color. It's just a basic frontal wig, 10-inch. Has the combs on the inside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wig inside out. This is the way that I like to do it. And I'm going to take the Got to Be Glued freeze spray. You can use any type of hairspray that you have. It doesn't have to be Got to Be Glued. I like this one because it sprays precisely and accurately, and it doesn't make a lot of mess. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray the inside of the lace. You want to make sure that you spray a generous amount, and make sure that you go a little bit below the hairline so that way you don't get any dye onto the lace. Now I'm just going to blow dry that first coating of the Got to Be Glued that I sprayed onto the lace. And I did this about 4 times, so I put 4 layers of the Got to Be Glued and blow dried it right after, so that way it can have that protection barrier on the lace. Now you just want to make sure that you put enough Got to Be Glued, and that way it's kind of crunchy. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some Vaseline just on top of the Got to Be Glued. And I'm just doing this as an extra precaution so that way I don't get any dye on the lace at all. And now I'm just going to go ahead and mix the developer with the actual hair dye. Guys, I am not a professional at all. I'm basically just doing what I know, or what I think I know. Just gonna go ahead and clip the hair back, and I'm just gonna start sectioning the hair so that way I can start applying the dye to the hair. Since I just used black, I didn't really have to be super neat. So I kind of just parted it all over, which was easiest for me, and just applied the dye. Make sure when you get to the front, you apply the dye very carefully, because once again, you do not want to get any of the dye on the lace. Once I've went ahead and applied the dye to all of the hair, I'm just going to go ahead and comb through it to make sure that all of the dye is dispersed evenly. I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone and set my timer to 20 minutes and let the dye process on the hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and just rinse the dye out with cold water. And I'll be using the Organix coconut milk shampoo just on the lace part to try to get rid of that got to be glue and that Vaseline. I'm actually going to do that a couple of times to make sure that it's all out. All of that out. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the conditioner that came in a Dark and Lovely box and just distribute it over the hair evenly. And I'm actually gonna use the whole tube and leave it to sit for about 15 minutes. Now I'm just rinsing out that conditioner and actually combing through the wig. And as you can see, the hair is still very soft. No tangles, the comb is not getting stuck or anything. Now I'm just basically showing you guys that there is no dye on the lace whatsoever. My protection barrier was a success. I was very careful dyeing this wig and I'm so proud. No dye on the inside of the lace. A little bit of got to be glued still, but we'll worry about that later. Just gonna part the hair so that way you can see there is no dye whatsoever on the lace. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and comb through the hair, prepare it to get blow dried. Gonna go ahead and blow dry the hair. Look at that, no dye on the lace. cannot wait to get her installed. Let me know down in the comments if you would like for me to do a review on this hair once it is installed. Let me know down in the comment, guys, what you thought about this video, if you liked it, and whether you will try this technique or not. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.